This is going to be a video tutorial on how to prevent people from tagging you on TikTok. I'll be using an iPhone for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I have my phone open now, and I am on the TikTok app. To prevent people from tagging you on TikTok, first thing you need to do is tap on your profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Then you will tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner. Then you will tap on Settings and Privacy. And from here you will tap on Privacy. Now you will scroll down to where you see it says Mentions and Tags, and tap on that. In the very top category here, who can tag you? By default it's set to everybody. The next level down is people that you follow. The next level down is followers that follow you back. And the final one is no one. If you don't want anybody tagging you, you would select no one. That is how you prevent people from tagging you on TikTok. Thanks for watching.